Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, hi children, welcome to the Communicative English class. Today we are going to start our class with inaugural ceremony, and Arun sir is our coach. Arun sir he's from Tirupati. He's our English trainer, coach, whatever it may be. And coming 10 days, you're going to travel along with the sir. He will guide you, he will teach you, he will inspire you. Definitely, you'll learn a lot from Arun sir. Yeah, so now I will invite our Arun sir to our English classroom. This is Mudra Online School. Welcome to Mudra Online School. In Mudra Online School.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So in Mudra Online School, we started spoken English classes. Already Arun sir is teaching spoken English to the housewives and working women. And now this is our second program, which is exclusively for students. Okay, so I hope definitely you all learn from Arun sir, and you continue in further classes also, further courses also. And regarding this course, this is 10 days course designed by Arun sir, Communicative English, which includes the basics and all the 4 skills: listening skills, LSRW, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Okay, so sir will guide you to how to explore your knowledge in the area of English language. As the English language is our global language, we have to get the command on English language. Is it not?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So
Yes,
yes, yes. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. You all are very enthusiastic to learn English. And now I will hand over to our Arun sir. Arun sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, thank you so much.
Yeah, it's my
Hi,
pleasure.
sir. Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening, children.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Okay,
Good evening,
okay. I'm
sir.
very happy to share my knowledge with you, children. Okay.
Okay.
I hope everybody is safe in this pandemic situation. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
I'm just watching. You all are very curious. You're looking like, see, uh, what I'm going to learn, what I'm going to learn. That much of curiosity I have seen in your eyes. Okay, I'm very happy for that. And children are being joined now. Okay, it's around 17 members joined, and 3 to 4 members might be they'll be joining. Okay, so in these 10 day session, we learn a very basics, Nana, which help us to enhance our spoken, reading, writing, and listening skills. And what you have to do is you need to maintain one notebook. Okay, so one notebook and a pen or a pencil based on your convenience. Okay, it may be a pen or pencil, it's up to you. Okay, so what you have to do, there'll be a projects every day. There'll be a projects. What you have to do is you need to listen to me and you have to follow what I'm going to tell you every day. And there'll be activities related to listening. There'll be activities related to different things. Do you like stories?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. See, even I like stories. Even I like stories. So
Even
we
I
learn
like
so
stories,
many.
sir.
Yes, yes. Kavita ma'am. Kavita is a great storyteller. Okay. So stories, through stories also, we are going to learn so many things. Okay. So very soon, uh, we are going to listen all those things and we will enhance our knowledge. Okay. Are you ready for that?
Yes, yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Arun sir,
Okay. So
uh,
yes.
let us have a glance on children. Where are they from, and why? What's the purpose of joining in this course? We have to know, and they have to
Yes. Yes.
introduce themselves one by one. I will ask.
Okay.
I will call them one by one by their names. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
yeah.
It maybe you can tell your name and where are you from, and which grade?
Okay, Nana, please unmute yourself. When I call you by your name, please unmute and answer. And others should be in mute only. Okay. So Sai Hasini, unmute yourself, Nana.
Hi,
Yes.
sir.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening. Ma'am.
I'm Sai Hasini
Yes.
from Manchiria.
Okay.
Okay.
My grade is A.
And why did you join in this course?
Because it is very cheap. And yeah,
You want to
I'm
do-
interested to learn spoken English
Okay.
classes, and just I want to try.
Okay, Nana.
You
Wonderful.
just want to try. Okay. Don't try, baby. Don't try. Just make it. Okay. I'm here to guide you. I'm
Make
here
it-
to
Okay.
Make
Okay.
it possible. Okay. So sure, definitely.
Okay.
You will get that knowledge what you are expecting from this course. Sure, I have that confidence, Sai Hasini. All the best, Nana.
Thank you.
Okay, Deekshita. Unmute yourself, Nana. Deekshita. Switch on your video. Okay, raise your hands. Those who are ready, please raise your hands. Look, children, this is the interaction session. You have to introduce yourself. Yeah, you have to come out of that fear, stage fear. Yeah, so Sahasra, do you want to speak?
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good, excellent. Where are you?
Good evening,
Good evening.
ma'am. I'm from Nellore, ma'am.
Nellore. Oh, wonderful.
Okay. Yeah, tell me, what's your name and where are you from and which grade you are and what is the
Sir?
purpose of joining? Which grade you are and where are you from? Yeah, baby, can't you listen?
So some network connection. I will come with another device, sir.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, sure, baby. Sure. Okay.
Okay. Dhruva.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Speak, Nana.
Ma'am, my name is Dhruva. I am from Adilabad. I am 6th grade.
Okay.
What
Why
is the
did you-
purpose?
Ma'am, I joined this session for learning English grammar
Okay.
and learning how to interact with each other in English.
Oh, wonderful. Excellent.
Thank
Yeah.
you, ma'am.
Okay, Nana. Thank you very much. And now
Yes.
I will call Lakshmi Nagasujata. Unmute yourself.
Hi, ma'am. Hi, sir.
Hi, Nana. Good evening. Yes.
My name is Sujana. I
Okay.
am from Mancherial.
Oh, wonderful, Sujna.
I am 9th class.
You are studying in 9th class. Okay. So why did you join in this course?
Learn English.
To learn and to speak in English. Okay. Excellent. Good job, Nana. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah. Next. Gayatri.
Good afternoon, sir and madam. My name is Gayatri.
So there might be a network error.
I am
Okay.
studying in 7th class.
Okay.
I want to learn how to talk English fluently.
Oh, great.
Thank you.
Yeah, wonderful, Nana. Wonderful. Good job. Congratulations. And now, next, who will come? Raise your hands. You can raise virtual hands. Yes, Rutika. Rutika, speak, Nana.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
ma'am.
My name is Shrutika. My father name is Jitendra Reddy. My mother name is Sandhya, and my brother name is Mandeep. I'm studying 5th class. Why I joined this course is I want to speak English and I want to learn English grammar.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Mancherial.
Oh, excellent. Good job, Mancherial. Yeah. And now, Dheeraj. Dheeraj. Unmute. Yes, unmute yourself, Nana.
I am Dheeraj. I am from Dharmapuri. I am interested. I am in 7th grade. I am interested to learn spoken English
Wonderful.
and
Excellent.
English grammar.
How did you came to know about this link, about this course? Who shared the information with you?
Gayatri.
You?
Okay, who shared, Nana? Who shared with you?
Ma'am, sir, can
Sir, my sister Gayatri.
Gayatri shared. Okay, Gayatri also, is she attending the course now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, just now she spoke. Wonderful, Nana. Dheeraj, all the best. Congratulations. Yeah, okay. Now, hello. Hello, ma'am. Yuvan. Unmute yourself.
Hi, ma'am. My name is Yuvan. I am from Nellore. I am studying in 3rd grade.
Okay. You're from Nellore, right?
Yes.
Who shared the link with you?
Samvita.
Samvita.
He's from Nellore, sir. He's from Nellore. From Nellore, there are 5 to 6 students are there. Great job, Yuvan. Good luck, Nana.
Thanks.
Yes. Bhuvana.
Ma'am,
Yes, please.
ma'am, can I speak, ma'am? Sahasra, I leave the meeting, ma'am.
I will give the chance to all of you, Nana. Bhuvana, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, after Sahasra, can you give ma'am Sanvita?
Yes. Who is that?
Sanvita, ma'am.
Sanvita.
Sanvita.
Okay, Sanvita. Very good.
Ma'am, not Sanvita, Sanvita.
Sanvita. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Now introduce yourself.
Hi, ma'am. Hi, sir. My name is Sanvita. I'm from Nellore. My
Oh,
grade is 6.
okay. Why did you join and who shared the information with you?
Ma'am, I like to learn English.
Okay.
My grandma, ma'am.
Your grandma. Wow. Really great.
From my grandma, I told somebody, ma'am. So many
Okay.
members.
Very good. Wonderful.
And I love English, ma'am, but I know English so like buttered English. So I want to learn perfect English.
It's not a problem. If you have interest, definitely you're going to learn.
Yes. Wonderful. All the
Okay,
best.
sir.
Ritika. And then
Thanks, ma'am.
Akash. Unmute yourself, Nana. Akash.
Ma'am and sir,
Yes.
my name is G. Akash. I am from Sipet. I am studying in 5th class.
Okay. Then why did you join in this course?
Ma'am, I learned to speak English fluently.
Very good. And who shared the information with you?
Ma'am, my mother's friend.
What's her name? Bhavani ma'am?
Ma'am, don't know. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am, Bhavani ma'am.
Yes, she's my friend. Okay, wonderful. Great job, Nana. All the best.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. And now who will speak? Rajita, Karthik, Sai. Sai, Karthik.
Ma'am, my name is
Karthik Sai.
Rishikesh Sai. B. Rishikesh Sai.
Then you do
Okay.
one thing, Nana. All of you rename your Zoom. Zoom name with your, I think you all are with your parents' names. Okay. You rename with your name for this class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So that it will be easy to serve, to call.
Ma'am, studying in
Okay.
class, ma'am. I'm studying in 5th class.
Where are you from?
Mancherial.
Okay, Nana. All the best. Yeah. Next.
Hi, madam. This is my son, Rishikesh Sai.
Rajita ma'am. Okay.
Yes, madam. My son, 5th class.
Okay. You
Thank
both
you, madam. Thank you so
both
much.
students of Mudra Online School and Arun sir.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Wonderful.
Thank you so much for giving this opportunity to my kids also. Thank you, ma'am.
It's our pleasure, ma'am. It's our pleasure.
Ma'am, Suhasrita speaking.
Where is Suhastrita? Raise your hand, Nana. Ah,
I
yes.
raised my hand.
Okay, Nana. Sorry. Yeah, you can speak now.
My name is Suhasrita.
Okay.
I'm studying 5th class. I'm from Nellore.
Nillur. Okay. And why did you join in this course, Talli?
I don't know how to speak fluently English, so that's why I joined.
You're speaking very fluently. Yeah, it's not at all a big task. You can
Okay.
learn more. Okay, all the best. All the best. Yeah.
Ma'am, this is Sahasra is speaking, ma'am.
Who is that, Nana?
Sahasra.
Sahasra, ma'am.
Sahasra. Sahasra Abhishreya Padma. Oh my God. Lengthy name. Okay, Nana.
Padmanabhan. Okay.
Yeah, you can speak now.
Ma'am, my name is Sahasra Abhishriya, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm from Nellore.
Oh,
I'm 6th grade, ma'am.
okay. Then why did you join and who shared the information with you?
Ma'am, Sanvita shared the information, ma'am.
Okay, fine. And did you say thanks to her?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. And all the best. All the best.
And do you know what's the meaning of Sahasra? Do you know the meaning of Sahasra?
No, sir.
No. It's 1,000, baby. It's 1,000. Okay.
1,000 times. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Nani. And Yuvan, Deekshita, Pujita, Ritvik, switch on your videos first. And now it's time to come out of your stage fear or anything that you should not feel any inhibitions to speak properly. Okay, Ritvik, do you want to speak, Nana? Ritvik? Do you want to introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Please
Good,
continue.
good evening. Good evening.
ma'am.
Oh, just wait, Nana. Wait. Ritvik, carry on. Nana.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Madam, my name is Ritvik. I am from Mancherial, ma'am.
Okay.
Mancherial district, Bellampalli town, ma'am.
Oh, wonderful.
I am studying in 10th class, ma'am.
Oh, Ritvik, are you the son of Anil?
No, ma'am.
Usha Anil?
Lalita, madam.
Okay,
Lalita.
Lalita ma'am. Oh, she's my junior. Okay, oh, wonderful. Okay, today only you joined, I think. Kada?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And okay, children, it's very nice to know all about you. And your two brothers are there, Satya, Charan, and okay, Nana, all the best, Ritvik. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Nana. And Satya, Charan, and Gautam. Nana? Satya, Charan, and Gautam. Pujita.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Nana.
Myself, Pujita. I am from Jaipur.
Oh, just wait, please. Just wait. I will give you the pin. Pujita. Pujita, okay. Yeah, Nana, now you can speak.
Myself, Pujita. I am from Jaipur.
Okay,
I am in 9th grade.
okay. Why did you join in this course, Nani?
To speak English fluently.
Oh, wonderful. All the best. Okay. Yeah, I think we finished the introductory session by students. And now,
Excuse me, ma'am.
who is that?
Ma'am, K Satyacharan, ma'am.
Yeah. Sorry, Nani, I missed you. Okay, you can speak now. Switch on your video.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Myself, K Satyacharan. I am studying 6th class.
Video, please switch on your
Video.
Satyacharan and Gautam.
Ma'am, I already.
Okay. You can speak now.
Myself, K Satyacharan. I am studying 6th class,
Okay.
and I prefer this school for to speak English
Wonderful.
properly,
Okay.
and I am studying Carmel Convent High School.
Mancherial. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Nana, what about you, Gautam?
Ma'am, myself K Gautam, and I'm studying 5th B, and I'm from Mancherial. I prefer this school to learn and study English.
Okay. All the best, Nani. All the best. Wonderful. Wish you good luck, Nana. And
Thank you, ma'am.
coming.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Yes.
ma'am, I am Bhuvana.
Bhuvana. Please, Nana. Carry on. Continue, Nana.
Ma'am, I am Bhuvana from Siddipet.
Okay.
I want to learn English fluently.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Nani.
Good evening, sir.
Which grade, Nana?
Yeah,
Good
she
evening,
is the daughter of Bhavani.
Bhavani.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Again,
Good evening, sir.
mother
Yes.
and daughter are students of Mudra Online School and Arun sir. Wonderful, excellent. And Bhavani ma'am joined her Bhuvana's cousin also. Yeah,
అవును మేడం ధ్రువ
Dhruva. Yes, he is very active.
అనదర్ ఇంకొక వాళ్ళని కూడా జాయిన్ చేశాను మేడం సిద్దిపేట నుండి
Yes.
మార్నింగ్ కాల్ చేసింది అనుకుంటా మేడం ప్రణీత మేడం వాళ్ళ బాబు సాయి అనుకుంటాం నేమ్
What is his name? Is he in the class?
ఉండొచ్చు మేడం
Yes, ma'am.
పక్కన
Ma'am, I am only the son of Pranita.
Akash.
ఈ అబ్బాయి మేడం
Akash, wonderful, good job.
ఆకాష్
And before I hand it over to Arun sir, I'm requesting you all to share this information about this course with your friends, with your relatives, with your cousins, so that you all will have a blast in this classroom. You can enjoy, yeah. So you can have the fun for all these 10 days. Okay, children. No problem. If they miss this today's class also, tomorrow onwards sir will teach you, and today is the introductory class, and he will give you the guidelines how to approach or how to speak or how to listen properly. Yeah, so he'll focus on LSRW skills also. So Arun sir, and I think please, it's time to start our session. Okay, so
Okay.
thank you, children. And please utilize this time, utilize these 10 days, listen to the Arun sir very attentively, and finish the homework every day and share in the group. And it's really a wonderful opportunity to all of you at very reasonable price. Yeah, so just at only 200 you're getting to receive a great knowledge from Arun sir. Okay, so now sir, please start
Ma'am,
sharing.
Yeah, I'll start it, ma'am. No, one more student is being joined.
Good evening,
Satvika.
madam.
Who is that?
Satvika.
I missed. Who is that? Please raise your hand, Anna.
This Satvika, ma'am. Satvika. She
Satvika.
joined now.
Okay, okay. Yes, yes. Sorry, I missed. Satvika, switch on your video, Nani.
Dikshita, Dheeraj, and Karthik Sai. Sai
Switch on.
Hasini, you have to switch on your videos. Okay. You're not supposed to switch off video. Okay. I should
Switch
observe,
on.
right?
Okay. And Dikshita, did she finish her introduction? Dikshita?
I hope she is.
Okay. Yes, fine, sir. She is not ready. Satvika is not ready.
Okay. Okay. Good evening, children. Once again, I welcome you all to the class. It's a wonderful opportunity provided by Kavita ma'am through our Mudra online classes. Okay. So don't waste your valuable time. Okay. Because even 1 minute, if you spend 1 minute, you are not going to get back. Okay. That is the reason. Just listen to me. So whatever the doubts you have, you can raise your hand and ask me. You are not supposed to interrupt in the middle of teaching. Okay. If you have a doubt, raise your hand. Raise your hand. It may be virtual or like this through physical. Okay, but you have to raise your hand. Once the topic is completed or in a middle, if it is possible, I'll clarify your doubts. Everyone should have a notebook. Okay. So, Sahasrita, are you listening? Okay. So everyone should have a notebook. Okay. What you have to do is you need to make note of the information which I discuss here. Okay. And after that, there will be a homework every day. Okay. So you need to do that homework and you need to present it. Okay. I'll do steps from tomorrow onwards. There will be a homework. Okay. And now I'm not going to give any homework today, but tomorrow onwards I'll give you a homework. Okay. And ma'am, Varshini and Varshini Batula also joined. Welcome, Varshini. Can you switch on your video? Satvika, can you switch on your video? Dikshita. Okay. So children.
Varshini Batula. Introduce yourself, Anna. Introduce yourself to the classroom. Varshini, are you ready? No, she is not ready. So please continue.
Okay, no problem, no problem. So children, so it's very easy to learn English. If you feel that it is easy to learn. If you feel that it is difficult to learn. One thing you should remember, English is just a language. English is also a language. It's not a knowledge. Okay. So how you are learning? See, for example, the people, those who live in Telangana, most of the people, they are able to communicate through Hindi also. In a few areas, if they are those who is very near to Hyderabad, they are able to communicate through Hindi also. Because the people, those belongs to that areas have an ability to listen to those words. Okay. So then automatically, when they have a friends to that speaking people, automatically you are able to speak. So like that, what you have to do is you need to start listening what I'm telling. You should start listening what I'm telling. Okay. Once you start listening, definitely you can improve your listening skills. You can improve your vocabulary. You can improve your reading skills. You can improve your writing skills. Okay. So the basics, I'll cover the basics in these 10 days. It means I'll show you, I'll guide you what to do. Okay. And like that, there'll be advanced courses also. After completion of this, there'll be advanced courses for us. Okay, we'll continue with the interested students. Okay, so initially what you have to do is you need to maintain a notebook. And if you understood the topic, you have to show me a thumb. Okay, yes. So if there is a network glitch, if you are unable to listen, what you have to do is you need to show me like this. Sir, I'm unable to understand. Okay, based on that, I'll understand that there is some technical glitch. I'll repeat that particular word or sentence again. Okay, understood what I'm telling? Understood what I'm telling? I need a sign.
Yes, sir.
Show me, no problem. You can show me like this.
Yes, sir. We can understand.
Yes, yes. Okay, so these are instructions which you need to follow at the time of please. You are not supposed to unmute yourself until it is asked, until it is needed. You have to mute yourself and you need to switch on your video. It is must to switch on your video and you should be attentive while listening. Okay, understood, children? Understood or not?
Understood, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. So what is there in communication, Nana? Can you tell me what is communication? Can anyone tell me what is communication? Many people will say, na, he has no communication skills, he has the communication skills. Okay, due to that he lost his job, due to that he got his job. You might have heard about the communication, right? What is communication?
Sir,
Yes.
one person is talking to one person is called communication.
That's it. Who said?
Who said? Who is that?
Uh,
Gautam.
and one more thing, whenever you want to speak, if you are unmuted, sir, this is Ramana, this is Arun, and then you can proceed, because I don't know, right? I don't know who is speaking. Unmute yourself and say your name, and then go with the topic. Yeah, who is that?
Gautam.
Okay, sir.
So what is communication? It's not English language, whatever the language. Okay, if I say like this, what does it mean? If I say like this, what does it mean? Doesn't it communicate? Doesn't it communicate? Yes or no? Doesn't it communicate or not? Adi communicate chestunda leda ani adugutunna nenu. Say yes or no? No.
Yes, sir.
Gayatri is
It will communicate.
yes. Okay, so many people saying yes, and Gayatri is saying no. Okay, no problem. So here, children, whatever the language, communication skills are different. The language is different. Okay, you should understand the difference between communication skills and the language. Though, see, nowadays, spoken English become a part of communication skills. Okay, but communication skills is not a spoken English. You should know that difference. అర్థమవుతుందా నాన్న మీకు నేనేం చెప్తున్నాను? అర్థమవుతుందా? ఓకే, అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్స్ అనేది ఏంటి అంటే స్పోకెన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ లో భాగం. కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్స్ లో స్పోకెన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ అనేది కూడా ఒక భాగమే. స్పోకెన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ లో కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్స్ అనేది భాగం కాదు. అర్థమవుతుంది? సో ఇప్పుడు ఎవరైనా, ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు స్పీక్ విత్ సమ్వన్, మీరు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు ఎవరితో అయినా, వాట్ విల్ బి దేర్? ఏం మాట్లాడతారు మీరు వాళ్ళతో? జనరల్ గా ఎలా మాట్లాడతారు? ఇప్పుడు ఎవరైనా కనిపించారు అనుకోండి, ఏం చెప్తారు? వాట్ యు సే? What do you say with
Hi.
them? Hi. Okay. Hi.
Hi,
Hello.
hello.
How are you?
Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
hello.
How are you?
How are you? What?
Who are you?
Okay.
How are you?
When they will ask how are you for us, we have to reply what about you.
Yes. Very good. Very good, Kritika. Okay. So like this, we introduce ourselves and we wish each other. We greet each other. Yes or no? Yes or no? So it's all a communication. It may be any language. In Telugu also you ask, Bagunnara? Yes or no?
Yes,
Do you
sir.
think it's not a communication? అవునా కదా? అది కమ్యూనికేషనే కదా? అవునా కదా?
Yes, sir.
కమ్యూనికేషన్ అది కూడా ఒక కమ్యూనికేషన్,
sir.
అవును కదా? సో ఇక్కడ మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే, ఓకే, ఇంగ్లీష్ అనేది ఒక లాంగ్వేజ్ మాత్రమే. దానికి భయపడాల్సిన పని లేదు. యు షుడ్ నాట్ ఫియర్, యు షుడ్ నాట్ సఫర్. అంటే మనం భయపడాల్సింది దేనికి భయపడాలి? భయపడాలా దేనికైనా? చెప్పండి,
No,
దేనికైనా
we have
భయపడాలా
to
మనం?
be-
అవసరం లేదు కదా? అవసరం లేదు కదా? సో ఎప్పుడైతే భయం ఉంటుందో, ఇట్ సప్రెసెస్ యువర్ నాలెడ్జ్. మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ ని కానీ, మీ నేర్చుకునే ఎబిలిటీని కానీ సప్రెస్ చేస్తుంది. ఎప్పుడైతే భయం ఉంటుందో, మీ నేర్చుకునే ఎబిలిటీని సప్రెస్ చేస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ మీరు భయపడకూడదు, దేనికి కూడా భయపడకూడదు అనమాట. నేను నేర్చుకోగలను, ఐఎమ్ ఏబుల్ టు లెర్న్ అని చెప్పేసి మిమ్మల్ని మోటివేట్ చేసుకోవాలి. మిమ్మల్ని మీరు మోటివేట్ చేసుకోవాలి. అర్థమవుతుంది? సే ఎస్ అండ్ నో చిల్డ్రన్. ఓకే, అండ్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్ దట్ ఆఫ్టర్ 2 minutes ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎండ్. సెషన్ అనేది ఎండ్ అయిపోతుంది, ఆటోమేటిక్ గా కట్ అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే, సో మీకు ఇంకెవరికైనా ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా అడగండి. నేను ఇంకొకసారి కూడా గుర్తు చేస్తున్నాను, మీరు అందరు కూడా రేపటి నుంచి ఒక నోట్బుక్ అనేది పెట్టుకోండి. నేను టైం అనేది మెన్షన్ చేస్తాను, నేను గ్రూప్ లో మెన్షన్ చేసి పంపిస్తాను, మీకు లింక్ పంపిస్తాను. దాన్ని క్లిక్ చేసి
Okay,
జాయిన్
sir.
అయిపోవాలి. ఓకే, ఇంకేమైనా
Okay, sir.
డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా కూడా మీరు గ్రూప్ లో పోస్ట్ చేయొచ్చు, నేను క్లారిఫై
Okay, sir.
చేస్తాను. నాకున్న ఫ్రీ టైమ్ లో నేను క్లారిఫై చేస్తాను. ఓకే,
Okay, sir.
Do you have a doubts? Do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, no, sir, but
Chapandi,
sir,
everyone.
only one class or like so many
10
classes.
sessions, Nana. 10 sessions are there. We have 10 sessions, Nana. Daily one session. There will be one session in a day.
Sir, tomorrow
Daily 5 p.m.
start, sir.
It not by 5, Nana. I'll inform you the timing. Okay. I'll inform you the timing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Daily 1 hour.
Daily it's around 40 minutes. 40 to 45 minutes based on your learning. If you are serious, I'll take little more. If you are not serious, I'm not going to take. Are you serious?
Arun sir.
Yes, sir.
Madam, madam.
Today I'm going to give them a task.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, go on.
They have to
It
write.
is-
They have to write 100 difficult words. Hard words.
You have to write unknown
100
words, 100 unknown words. You have to find and you can write it.
Just they need not to write the meaning of that words. Just they have to write 100 new words which they don't know. Okay, so
Okay.
children, you have to write 100 new words. Vocabulary test. Okay.
I hope you will do that and you
Okay,
can
sir.
take
To write
snap and post it in a group.
all
All the very best
the
for
very
every child.
tomorrow, sir will inform